So this is the typing test series launched by Olive Board. I have purchased this test for my typing test in Ssc CGL, and I have given one test where I made 2 full mistakes, and my error percentage is 0.1%, where I made 2 full mistakes. This is my input, and this is differences with original text. I can clearly see that there are 2 mistakes. One is here, I think this is the space related mistake, and another one is here. So I think I got a little bit confidence after giving this test. I would like to suggest all those aspirants who are preparing for Ssc CGL, if you can afford, then please buy this one, or there are many other websites over the internet through which you can test your typing speed.